Hello everyone. Today we are going to see few topmost computer science related general knowledge questions which are frequently asked in competitive examination. Today we are going to start from 81st question. Which of the following building blocks can be used to implement any combination of logic circuits? And the answer is NAND gate. This NAND gate is also called as universal gate. This NAND gate is also called as universal gate. All these three are called as the logic gates which are used in the circuit boards. Okay, using this NAND gate, we can build any type of gates like OR gate, NOR gate, AND gate, and any other gates. Using this NAND gate, we can combine many NAND gates and build any type of logic gates or logic circuits. That's why NAND is called as the universal gate. 82nd question is, which of the following is a type of system software? And the answer is device drivers. Basically, there are two types of softwares. One is system software, another one is application software. So let's understand what do you mean by system software. System softwares which are very important for the work of the operating system or our computer, laptop or device. Without these system softwares, our laptop or computer or mobile will not work properly. These are very much required for the operation of the computer. They are called as the system software. Application software means these are the software which are used for specific purposes like messaging, chatting. For example, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, all these are called as the application software. Without these softwares also our computer or laptop works properly. That's why they are called as the application software. They are used for specific purpose. But system softwares, without these system software, our computer or laptop will not work properly. That's why they are called as the system softwares. This word processor, for example, MS Word, MS Office, it is a application software. Without this MS Office or MS Word, our computer will work properly. Notepad, without this also our computer will work properly. Antivirus, without antivirus also our computer will work properly. But without device drivers, we cannot use specific devices in our computer. So our computer or laptop will not work properly. So device drivers are the examples of system softwares. Now let us check 83rd question. Okay, 83rd question. Language that is understood by computer hardware is called, and the answer is machine language. Computer or laptop or a machine, for that matter mobile, any mobile or a laptop or computer can understand only 0 and 1. It is called as binary language. This binary language is also called as the machine language. Any machine can understand only zeros and ones. Whatever we type, if I type ABC, ultimately in the end it will be converted to zeros and ones, which can be understood by the machines. That's why it is called as the machine language. And remaining rest of the things, this is high level language like natural languages. For example, English is called as the high level language. In this language, we are going to give instructions to the computer, or we are going to write the code or program in this high level language. This is a natural language. This language cannot be understood by the computers. That's why they are called high level languages. Machine level languages means zeros and ones, which can be understood by the machines or computers. Assembly level languages means they are also like a programming language, but we are going to use mnemonics. Okay, in that assembly language we use a special opcodes. Okay, we use special words or opcodes. They are called as the mnemonics. M is silent here. They are called as the mnemonics. Okay, in the case of assembly level language, we use special words or opcodes called as mnemonics. Okay, so whenever we write the program in high level language, which is like English, it will be converted to machine level language, or it is also called as low level language. This machine level language or low level language will be understood by the machines or computers. This high level language is the language where we are going to write the instructions or code or program. This will be converted to low level language by compiler. This compiler is a system software. Okay, this compiler is a system software. High level language is like a English language or Hindi language, and machine language is nothing but zeros and ones. And assembly level languages use mnemonics. 84th question is vacuum tubes are, and the answer is made up of two or more electrodes in a glass metal tubes. So what are vacuum tubes? These are the most important components which are used in first generation computers. When the computers are designed for the first time, okay, that time we used vacuum tubes. Nowadays we are using integrated chips, ICs. We are using integrated chips in large scale, but in the early days when the computers were designed in the first generation computers, we used vacuum tubes. Let's check out the 85th question, and the 85th question is ARPANET is a, and the answer is world's first network. Okay, ARPANET. What do you mean by network? It is a combination of, or it is a collection, it is a group of devices. For example, this is computer 1, computer 2, suppose this is laptop 1, laptop 2, suppose this is mobile. All these are connected to a network. Okay, all these are connected. This is called as the network. This entire thing is called as the network. Network is nothing but it is a collection of devices. If there is a communication between several devices, it is called as the network. World's first network is called as the ARPANET. Now let us see the next question. 86th question. So what about 86th question? 86th question. ARPANET stands for, and the answer is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So ARPANET is the world's first network, and the expansion or abbreviation of ARPANET is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. 87th question is ARPANET was designed by, and the answer is US Defense System. Okay, US military system designed this world's first network, that is ARPANET. Let us see 88th question. ARPANET is a packet switched network. ARPANET is packet switched network. See, there are several techniques. One is packet switched network, second one is circuit switched network, third one is message switched network. This ARPANET uses the technique called packet switched network. So on ARPANET we saw 4 questions. First one, ARPANET is a world's first network. Network means it is a communication between the devices. And this expansion for this ARPANET is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. That is the second point. Third point is ARPANET is designed by the US military system. United States of America's military system designed this ARPANET. And the last important point is ARPANET uses a technique called packet switched network. 89th question is what are web servers? And the answer is web server is a computer that stores and delivers web pages. So let's understand what you mean by web server. We are sitting in our home with a laptop and we want to check our result. Okay, in university there is a powerful computer, and that powerful computer is called as the server. This server stores the result of all the students of the university, and it is called as the database. Whenever we send a request from our computer to university computer, that is called a server. This server searches the result of your semester and sends it back to your computer. That is the work of the server. Okay, so what do you mean by server? Server is a computer which is a powerful computer that stores and delivers the web pages. Web page is nothing but it is a common page, okay, which stores our result or a data or a content. Okay, this powerful computer stores the web pages and searches the web pages and sends the result back to your computer. Those are called as the server. On your computer, you use client to send the request. Okay, that is about the client and server. And the last question of today's video is, that is 90th question. Search engines are, what are search engines? And the answer is, search engines scan the entire web for the desired information. Okay, so some example for search engine are Google, Bing and Yahoo. These are the examples for search engines. Bing is Microsoft's search engine. Bing is Microsoft's search engine. So what do you mean by search engine? Search engines are those things which searches the results, which searches the web pages or data in the World Wide Web. In the World Wide Web, this search engine searches the results which are required for us. Suppose if I type something on the Google, for example, if I search computer science, if I type computer science in the Google, Google is going to search all the content which are related to computer science on World Wide Web, and they are displayed on our laptop or computer. This is the work of the search engine. We'll stop here now. In the next video, we will start from 91st question. Thank you.